Today, there are 15 new positive cases. The State Hygienic Lab had 8 positive cases, and 173 negative. That brings our total of positive cases in the state of Iowa to 105. It brings our total negative cases in the state of Iowa to 2,043. The total number of counties now are at 26, and we have 7 individuals hospitalized as of Sunday at 6 p.m. As expected, the number of positive cases is increasing, in large part due to the expanded testing capability. As the volume of testing continues to expand, we will likely see that number grow for a while. I want to reiterate that under the public health emergency declarations that I signed last week, we continue to work to slow the spread and mitigate the virus's effect on Iowans, provide regulatory relief for those impacted, and remove legal barriers to prevent us from responding to this disaster. You can find information on the health declarations at coronavirus.iowa.gov. We also continue to monitor and discuss additional steps that can be taken to support our efforts in these unprecedented times. All the necessary actions that we've taken at the state level have come with consequences to Iowans, including our small businesses. Iowa's small businesses are the lifeblood of our communities and the engine behind our economy. And that's why it is critically important that we take steps to help and support our small businesses during these challenging times. It's clear from social media and news reports that Iowans are stepping up to try and support restaurants, bars, and all of our small businesses. And I want to thank every Iowan who has taken action with their own buying decisions to buy local and support Iowa's small business owners and workers. On Saturday, we announced that the United States Small Business Administration had issued a disaster declaration for the entire state of Iowa. The action allows Iowa small businesses negatively impacted by the pandemic to apply for low-interest support loans. The SBA, through the Economic Injury Disaster Loan Program, can provide up to $2 million in loans at a very low interest for the term of up to 30 years. I want to thank the Trump administration and SBA. They were accessible, responsive, and acted fast, which is good news for Iowa small businesses. So today, I'm also announcing new state-based disaster assistance for small businesses. This is a 3-pronged plan developed by our teams at the Iowa Economic Development Authority, the Iowa Department of Revenue, and Iowa Workforce Development, whose directors are with me today. We're making funding available for small grants to employers with 2 to 25 employees, and these grants will range from $5,000 to $25,000. In addition, the Iowa Department of Revenue will automatically extend the sales and withholding tax deadline for any business that gets a grant and will consider an extension for any business that applies for a grant. In addition, Iowa Workforce Development will allow businesses with fewer than 50 employees to delay their unemployment tax payments for the first quarter until July 31st. These 3 actions will provide some much-needed relief for struggling small businesses as well as some help with cash flow. I fully understand that this doesn't make up for having your businesses closed for a period of time or your customers staying home, but it is our hope that we can help businesses weather the storm, and as governor, I want you to know that I'm committed to helping them do just that.